Hi, I am Mubashir Khazar, and in this video we are going to talk about how WhatsApp can be hacked. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so you won't miss my updates. I have been asked a question multiple number of times that can WhatsApp be hacked? If yes, then how? Or how can I access someone's WhatsApp? Answering all of these questions, I would like to tell you that you can access someone's WhatsApp with a feature called WhatsApp Web. There's a legal feature you can use to access someone's WhatsApp messages, but that person needs to be online and you have to scan their phone on your phone or your PC. By that, you can use their WhatsApp. There is a thing that person's WhatsApp you are accessing will know that currently you are accessing their WhatsApp on your phone or on your PC. If you do not want the other person to know that you are accessing their WhatsApp, then you have to block their WhatsApp notifications, but that won't work for long. Someone just asked me a question that someone is accessing my WhatsApp. Answering to that question, that WhatsApp, if you feel like that someone is watching your WhatsApp, go to your WhatsApp settings. There is a feature called WhatsApp Web. You can check there if someone is accessing your WhatsApp or not. If someone is using your WhatsApp Web feature, you can simply log out the session and continue. However, there are multiple applications that promise you that they will hack someone's WhatsApp for you and they ask for money. Believe me, that won't work. They will just take your money and then boom. So that WhatsApp Web feature is very easy and convenient way of accessing someone's WhatsApp. So that was all for today. If this video was helpful, please like this video, leave your comments in the comment section, and please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates.